Ako voda. A už som tu zás aj s mojimi dvomi pomocníkmi, Aňou a Černou. A prišli som sa presvedčiť, či ste boli dobrými študentami počas celého roka. Detičky, prezúvate sa? Vás nechám chodniť peklo máte? Dlšiť nekačku? Vidím, že pekný škrabopis máte? No, tak vidím, že ste celkom dobrými študentkami a preto budete odmenené.
Ale nejak sa boja, všetci sú vzadu.
Čo si zaspievať? My máme pesničku.
Tak máme zaspievate.
Pane profesor. Holy child, Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day. And man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the holy Bible say, Mary's born child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Mary's born child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. While shepherds watched, they flocked by night, they see the bright new shining stars. They hear a choir sing a song, the music seemed to come from afar. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Mary's born child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day.
A budúci rok o takomto čase prídem zás, takže sa môžete tešiť.
Na budúci rok máme prax, budúci rok.
Pekne počúvajte.
Čaute. Ďakujeme.